And we just wanted to spend a little bit of time talking about your environment, because you may be innovative, but if the environment that you're in is not innovative, then it's very difficult to be an innovator. So remember, we already talked about this, innovations are customer focused, but also at your work or in your library, there should be a way for presenting new ideas, innovative ideas. So if you have an innovation in your mind, you should be able to talk to somebody about that innovation and what to do. Sometimes this is not typical in libraries. You may have a very good idea, but who do you talk to? How do you implement this idea? Everyone understands that failure is a possibility. Librarians are very worried about failure. Something about librarians, they don't like to see problems like that. This happens. Failure is a possibility when you're doing innovation, and that's how you learn in the bad. And that there's an environment of trust in your libraries. That means that you all trust each other to do the best for your users. And that individual staff members feel empowered and encouraged to collaborate. So these are all the elements that should exist in your workplace to help you be better innovators. Do most of you have this where you work? Do you have this support and everything? Yeah? Okay. Are any of you from the same library? No, right? Okay, so I want you to work at your table on this worksheet. You can kind of do it as a group. It's page 8, right? And you'll write your library name and you can discuss. So it gives you some things to think about, and then you can say, this always happens at my workplace, this sometimes happens at my workplace, this rarely happens, or it never happens. Does that make sense? But you can kind of talk together as a group while you're doing this, and explain to each other.